Mom, you're bad. You never want to give me money. I need to go out with my friends.
But if you go out, tomorrow you have to help me in the job.
But you can do it alone. You have hands, right?
You are a slacker, John. You like all easy. You don't have awareness of sacrifice that I do for you.
Again with the same story that I never help you. Don't believe that my job is going to the school. That is too much job for me.
Yes, but you are 17 years old. I wish you were a motivated person. You are a so pathetic person.
You know what? Don't worry me and give me the money. That is all that I want from you.
Remember that only 5 of 10 children more have a good education and that 2,000 families live in extreme poverty. So you could donate $6 buying a blue nose. You can help those persons with their issues and they will be grateful with us.